Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to supercharge your health, shed those stubborn pounds, and feel absolutely amazing? If you're nodding along, then you're in the right place today. We're diving deep into something truly transformative, the 21-day smoothie diet plan. This isn't just another fad, it's a lifestyle shift that delivers incredible results. Get ready to discover how delicious and easy weight loss can be. So what exactly is this plan all about? Imagine replacing 2 meals a day with delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies. It's designed to detoxify your body, boost your metabolism, and help you lose weight naturally. This plan focuses on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out, not depriving it. You'll feel energized, not starved. Now, let's talk about the best part, the recipes. Forget bland, boring diets. This plan is bursting with flavor and variety. You'll actually look forward to your meals. Think vibrant berry blast smoothies, creamy green detox concoctions, and even indulgent chocolate peanut butter blends. Each recipe is crafted to keep you full, satisfied, and energized throughout your day. My personal favorites include the Tropical Paradise smoothie for a morning kick and the Spinach Berry Powerhouse for an afternoon boost. They taste like a treat but are packed with goodness. Why is this plan so effective? It's simple. Nutrient density and calorie control. Smoothies make it easy to consume a high volume of vitamins, minerals, and fiber without excessive calories. This helps reduce cravings, improve digestion, and naturally leads to a calorie deficit. Plus, the fiber keeps you feeling full for longer, preventing those midday snack attacks. It's a sustainable approach that teaches you healthy eating habits. You'll learn to appreciate whole foods and understand how they fuel your body for optimal performance. Are you tired of diets that leave you feeling hungry and frustrated? Do you want a simple, effective way to kickstart your weight loss journey and feel incredible? This plan is your answer. It's perfect for anyone looking to shed a few pounds, boost their energy, or simply incorporate more healthy nutrients into their daily routine. Imagine feeling lighter, more vibrant, and confident in just 21 days. This isn't just about losing weight. It's about gaining health, vitality, and a new perspective on food. It's about empowering yourself to make better choices every single day. Ready to transform your body and mind? We've only scratched the surface of the amazing recipes available. The full 21-day smoothie diet plan includes even more incredible options. We're talking about a comprehensive guide with 36 delicious, easy-to-make smoothie recipes. This expanded collection ensures you have endless variety and never get bored. Don't wait another day to start feeling your best. Click the link in the description below this video right now to get instant access to the complete 36 recipe smoothie diet plan. Your healthier, happier self is just a click away.